Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we are going to be drawing
a super cute mango.
That's right, a super cute mango. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's draw our mango. Now mangoes are sometimes a kind of oval shape and they're kind of
like a potato or a jelly bean.
yeah, they're kind of a funny shape sometimes. So what we're going to draw is around...
A potato?
No, we're drawing a mango. It's a funny shape. So it's going to go around here like this. So normally the top is bigger than the bottom there. Like that. Doesn't have to be perfect shape because mangoes are come in all sorts of shapes, but they're kind of this sort of shape normally. Yeah, like yours as well, so that's really good. Alright, so I'm going to draw a little stem up the top. That's where it was joined to the mango tree. Yeah.
And then let's do the big leaf.
Yeah, and just a little leaf as well. Normally when you buy the mango in the supermarket you don't have the leaf attached, but when it's on the tree it's got leaves as well. Just like that, very good. And you can put a little line in there for a stem if you like. Yeah, very good. Alright, so let's draw the face, because it's a super cute mango, of course.
Super cute.
Yeah, so we're going to draw that in the center. So let's draw some eyes first. I'm just going to draw a nice big round eyes. 1, 2, like that. And then what I'm going to do inside those circles, I'm going to draw another circle, just like that. And these are like a reflection of the light on its eyes. Just makes it look cute. There we go. Oh, you can do it that way as well. Draw the pupil like that. And what I'm going to do is, I'm actually going to put some eyelashes on it. So what you do is on the eye, you can just add a couple of lines like that, coming from the eye.
I'm doing a moustache.
You're doing a moustache, okay, that is fine. I'm going to draw a mouth, so I think I'm going to do a big smiley mouth. So we'll do a little curved line like that, and then a big U shape like that. So the mouth is wide open. Then we can draw another curve in there for his tongue or her tongue. There we go. Yours is looking good, and you've got eyebrows on yours as well. That's really good. All right, so next part we're going to draw is, I'm just going to draw some cheeks on the side. So there's a nice little oval like this on each side. There we go. That is looking really funny. That is good. I like that. All right, so we finished drawing up our mango. And you know, you can put any face you like. So you can see we've got two different faces, but you can do whatever you like. It is up to you. Use your imagination. All right, so we're going to color them in and we'll be back shortly. And we're back. So we finished coloring them in and I think they look really wonderful, nice and bright. The mangoes are kind of yellowish, oranges, sometimes reddish, depending on what type of mango it is. But are you happy with yours?
Yes.
Yeah, I love mangoes. I love making them into a smoothie. Nice to eat and drink on a hot summer's day as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you had lots of fun and followed along as well. And we'll see you again next time. Bye.